Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix the common Bosch food processors and meat grinders problem. And as you can see, this problem is pretty obvious. This part has two functions, coupling and safety. If a solid object like bones or maybe your fingers gets into the meat grinder, the clutch immediately breaks the connection between the auger and the motor. Plastic over here is very thin, so if you apply some twisting force, it will come apart. So, it's a 5-minute work, but you may face two problems. First of all, you have to find a spare part. Try to contact your local Bosch dealer to buy the original part, which will cost you about 15 bucks, or not original for 3 bucks with free delivery. The link in description below. Next, we have to remove this piece of plastic, and it's actually the second problem. Oh, finally, now let's clean the auger with any dishwashing liquid like Fairy or whatever you have. If you bought the original part, just put it back and tighten the screw. And that's basically it. But very often this clutch breaks for no reason, especially not original one. I'll show you a little trick with a super glue and baking soda, which will make this part much stronger. To begin, we first need to rough up this area and then apply some super glue. Next, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on a liquid super glue. Baking soda works as an accelerator. It hardens almost instantly, and you can also use this method for gaps filling. The reaction between two forms a type of cement that is virtually unbreakable. Finally, make a proper form with a cutter and it's ready to work.